If you want to manage and customize backlight effects on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we need to open settings. Scroll down in settings and then go to additional settings over here, and you should be able to find backlight effects option. Of course, over here we can enable or disable backlight effects, but also you can enable backlight effects only when the screen is face down, so they are going to work only if you put the phone upside down. Besides that, we have all of these different settings, like for example incoming call reminders, so you can choose for which contacts or for which numbers this backlight effect should be activated. So whenever someone calls you, of course, you can decide if you should see those backlights or not. We also have gaming lighting effects, so you can choose which games should use this option, and unfortunately only selected games are supported over here. We have rhythmic light effects, so you can choose let's say music apps that are supposed to work or should be synchronized with these effects, or the other way around actually. And we have notifications, so you can choose for which notifications you should see light effects. And of course we also have the camera status indicator, so whenever you use timed or burst shot, then in that case the light effect is going to be enabled. Besides that, we can choose the color for backlights for incoming calls and app notifications, and also we can adjust the brightness of them. So here we can see they are right now activated over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.